This is Ron Griff here, and today I'm gonna teach y'all how to sharpen stuff with a sharpening stone. Okay, so there it is, the sharpening stone, and then there's the thing you're gonna want to sharpen, your fisher's hatchet. So what you're gonna want to do is gently chop it in half. Then you're gonna want to flip it over to the better side where it actually sharpens it, and you're gonna go like that. And you're just gonna want to go like this. Shoot. Then gently go back and just chop it like that. So that's how you use a sharpening stone. And then with a file, shoot, it's just an extra part of the video. You're gonna want to go like this. That's how you sharpen it. Now you notice, oh shoot, where's the camera part? How sharp that blade is. It's like the sharpest thing you've ever seen. So that's how you sharpen things with Ron Griff. Bye.